Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install SQL Server Windows Server 2022 completely. To start, go to the SQL URL that we leave you in the description of the video to download the developer version. Then run the file you have downloaded. In this case, click on the Custom option, click Install, and wait for the process to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, the SQL wizard will start automatically. In this window, click Installation. Now click on New SQL Server Standalone Installation or add features to an existing installation. Select the type of editing to use, accept the license terms. It is possible to activate automatic updates. It now waits for the usage requirements to be analyzed. If everything is correct, we are going to activate the boxes of the features to use from SQL. Now you find the name of the instance to use. After this, you can adjust the permissions of the service accounts. At this point, select the Mixed Mode SQL Server and Windows Authentication box. Assign the desired password. Click Add Current User. In this window, click Add Current User. You can adjust the port of use and the certificates. It is possible to adjust the connection point. Conditions will be reviewed. We can check what SQL will be installed. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Now open PowerShell from the Start menu. Run the commands on the screen to see the version of SQL installed on Windows Server. Open SQL Server Management Studio, and when it starts, click Connect. validating the database created. Wait for the connection to be established to access the functions. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.